This video explores non-planar MOSFETs and the FinFET revolution, which is breaking the geometry barrier in semiconductor scaling. The foundation is the planar MOSFET architecture. The gate voltage controls the surface conductivity, and the channel flows horizontally along the two-dimensional surface. The imperative to scale is driven by a scaling factor K. Scaling increases speed, improves packing density, and reduces power dissipation per transistor. Miniaturization has two main paths: constant field scaling, which is ideal, and constant voltage scaling. Constant voltage often leads to reliability crises due to system constraints. When channel length shrinks, physics breaks, leading to short channel effects. The gate loses control, and the drain begins to control the channel charge, resulting in punch-through. The antagonists of small geometry include DIBL, velocity saturation, and hot carrier effects. At these small scales, the channel is no longer purely controlled by the gate. Subthreshold leakage is a silent killer. Weak inversion means current flows even when the gate is off, causing massive power drain in idle chips. The geometric flaw in planar transistors is like trying to stop a hose with an uneven substrate. Leakage occurs underneath the planar gate, highlighting the need for better electrostatic control. The 3D turn. Enter the FinFET. This design shifts from surface control to volumetric control, effectively eliminating the leakage path. Anatomy of a FinFET. It features a fin body surrounded by a wraparound gate. This is also known as tri-gate or double-gate architecture. To maximize electrostatic control, the gate surrounds the channel on three sides, allowing for full depletion of the fin body. Leakage paths are eliminated. FinFETs achieve higher drive current by utilizing vertical scaling. The effective width increases vertically, allowing for faster switching within the same horizontal footprint. The FinFET advantage includes suppressed short channel effects, an ideal subthreshold swing, higher current density, and lower operating voltage. FinFETs are essential to saving Moore's law. They broke the sub-20 nanometer barrier, keeping the promise of scaling alive with milestones like 14 nanometer down to 5 nanometer. Control is everything. The FinFET represents a triumph of structural engineering, proving that when physical limitations are reached, building up is the way forward.